now let me tell you, we have to appreciate the fact that Evangelist Ebuka Obi carried this project. Come, you must. Let me tell you, see, let's forget about sentiments. Whether you're Catholic or Anglican or Assemblies of God or any church, see, this is our Igbo brother. As if I hate you, and Onye owned a very powerful branch in Lagos, but he left that place.
No man can take in a quamon. Ajukwami also. Kedu government ye memu in here Evangelist Ebuka Obi me Ngor Okpala? Why is it difficult for the buy? Why is it difficult for some of the buy? It's a matter. Thank you for your hand on women. Despite having, religious belief differences. Why is it so difficult for them? Mana today, ana to apatani to Matthias Ozibondo, Matthias Ozibondo, Matthias Nka, but none of them have 1% proof to back that claim up na Matthias. And I say Ozibondo, mana you find it very difficult to appreciate the fact that somebody did what your government cannot do. Iya hunu jisina government bo. Not after God and our government. Yes, we agree. After God and our government. But when government did not do that and have failed in their responsibility to do that in Hakwasilima, Onyo Ozomeya, learn to appreciate. Learn to say thank you. So unu jezineketa mewe apama attack. So apama abakuona na ndị wana Zion kwụrụ ụgwọ. Na ndị wana Ebuka Obi kwụrụ ụgwọ. For how long? For how long unu yejine ekwu ụdị ha? For how long unu ya na-eme ụdị ha? Every year same story. Every year same story. So ịpụta now na apa ama na kita kedu ego na ya akwa apa ama for PR. Ojiwe pụta wee pugonu na datin bụ ihe ọjọọ unu na ego na ki ya akwa apa ama for PR. Ego na ki ya akwa ya. Some of our people should learn how to appreciate good things. Kihoma we nweke na abịa na ndụ anyị. Asoro kama onye ọbụla asoro m afọ soro ngị jebe ụka, asoro ngị believe in God. Man, when you see somebody that is working for humanity, that things that called thing I say you believe in, why is it not difficult for you? But I say, nah, thank you for this, thank you for that. And Emanfu. Apama has been under heavy attack. Heavy attack ever since I made that video. He has been here. Even him, go and check his Apama. So one video called me we say this type of attack. Gwaziam I want to make video continuously, simultaneously, back to back, consistency in the last 1 year, 2 years. The kind of heavy attack I face, but still we are still standing. Because one with God is majority. If God has not been on our side, what may Israel say? Still every time Zion be the 100 days fasting, unebune propaganda. There is a way there is a way to reach it. And whatever he step on toes of people, you know that when something like this is being achieved, because you must not be, you will never please everybody. It's not but a village I name ha. More yebuzo. And don't know bona kulunya maka Ebuka se Ebuka aseria. Muna gana Messiah here. Then let us see. I want the villagers need you on a package yourself very well. Package yourself. Wela akukunu Jamie in the Zion. Mabron kanda no na bamba all these things unu na-eme begini unu funa na galaba gono. What shall he promise? What shall be profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his soul? But an answer ozukwa vanity upon vanity wana ka na-achọ. Nda na-agwa vanity upon vanity aka na-achọ nwechakwala estate ebe ahụ. Na-achọkwa we ha yesiwe Colombia na that place o. Na-achọkwa we ha yesiwe Colombia na ebe ahụ. Ejuzam na mgbe gboo na nna gị oya bụ onye Anambra State jeje nwaana n'Enugu mgbe ahụ. Egwazam na mgbe gboo nna gị oya abụ onye Imo steeti jeje na-enwe ana na Anambra steeti kezuko esinekwata ya anya mana ị na-asite kwa ụka for vanity. You don't know that you are the one chasing the highest vanity, because as you as a traditional man, you are not supposed to own a land. You as a traditional man, you kwesịrị inwe ana, you kwesịrị ile ana to start with. Mana ana shy away from that reality. Mana don't worry, I apịawo n'azụ na nke ikpeazụ a na-etọpụ this video ka ọ dịkwanụ.
Let me tell you, whether you like it or not, there's nothing on earth that you will do. Somebody who is already there, come down. And the worst mistake anyone can do is when you see somebody, you know that spiritually, physically, financially, contactly, everywhere the person pass you, what is our problem? Since ever I posted about Evangelist Ebuka Obi's site, I don't know that I have this kind of people on my platform. What is my offense? I'm not a member of Zion ministry, but that does not mean that I will see something good and I will not come as in say, this thing is good. Yes. And gonna days when would they believe that a pastor, like not one ever year for this video, at the past, I see this thing and say, one person and they do all these things, and this person is not a politician, he's a man of God doing this thing. If not for any other thing, that axis, that Ngor Okpala area is as in a plot of land. Now I know how much a plot of land will be that side. Somebody say the money, the hostels or the hotels you are talking about that Evangelist Ebuka Obi built is it not a church offering? You when they talk this kind of thing, I not say now your type they give 20 naira or 30 or even 10 naira for church. Now that Zion ministry will be doing their program 21st, 22nd and 23rd in that Ngor Okpala, instead of you to go there and say, God bless me through this program, and you are there, I think and the funny thing, when they day which and Igbo take a China. Some people say, Ebuka Obi don't give up money. Ebuka Obi don't give me money where? If in fact, I need it. It's a problem when you don't know who passed you. It's a problem when you don't know whose grace is greater than your grace. Please, all these Zionites, share this video for me. All the Zionites, share this video for me. So, you people are angry because I'm talking about Evangelist Ebuka Obi. I went there. See, let me tell you, even if you hate this man, if you go that side, you will love him. This one will not be content. This one will not be content. One negative hala. One negative hala. One negative project. With here cement in now, with the price of cement, to erect, to stand like 2-3 story buildings, furnished. All of them which are solar. All of them carry soundproofs. And when I finish, I have to tell the people that I'm working with, I said, make we they go. Make we they go. So instead of you to say, now let me tell you, we have to appreciate the fact that Evangelist Ebuka Obi carried this project. Let me tell you, see, let's forget about sentiments. Whether you're Catholic or Anglican or Assemblies of God or any church, see, this is our Igbo brother. As if I hate you, and Onye owned a very powerful branch in Lagos, but he left that place and so what I'm asking you, instead of you to say, God bless Evangelist Ebuka Obi for let me tell you, in 2 years to come, many of you will say, thank God for this development. Do you know that very soon that development will get to Ngor Okpala Junction? Yes. take this minute that you are hating, take these few minutes that you are using to write negative comments and say thank you, Evangelist Ebuka Obi. God bless you for bringing this to Southeast, to Imo State. This thing will bring development between Imo State and Abia State. I have to be honest to you. Do you know that somebody coming from Owerri, somebody from Abago first and reach? Are you aware? Somebody from Osisoma go first this person that is coming from Imo State reach. Let's stop this now. Evangelist Ebuka Obi, God will bless you. Your program will be a success. Instead of you to go to God, they are having program now. They are having program 21st, 22nd, and 23rd. Go there. God can visit you through that program. Instead of you to be at home and be writing his offering money, why will a church building hotel? Now some comments they make me, why will a church building hotel? Why will a church building hostel? Why will a church building fast food? Please, all the sidelines, share this video.